Hey, good morning, guys. Ares.Reigns here. I promised. Trying to test out this clutch spring that I just installed. Spoiler alert, I've already tested it and I wanted to show you guys exactly what has changed on the clutch spring. So, typical morning routine, you guys know. If you hear an echo, it's because my exhaust is right against the wall. So, let's get cracking. So watch out for the pedestrians. And we're up and away. Alright, we're gonna head into this parking lot so that way you guys can see. Okay. So, back in the day, before this spring was installed, if you guys can see it, I had a lot of play here. Now I don't have that play anymore. That play has been rid of. Of course, I had to toggle these switches because I couldn't find out where the sweet spot was. I stalled out once. I was on a red light. I was just playing with the clutch and all of a sudden I stalled out. I'm like, what the hell? It's because this used to have a lot of jiggle room, like right there. It would jiggle all the way till there and I can actually grab it. But this time, the clutch, I have to reach a little bit more. So I can either 3-finger it or 2-finger it like I used to. Thing is, clutch, if you're gonna see, let's try to engage it. Okay, 2 fingers. I start letting go. It is right there. It was never there before. It was never there. It used to be further out. And right now, I'm just moving slowly, as you all can see. So 2 fingers are fine. 3 fingers are fine. And now we're gonna go see and test out how it feels around the twisties when I'm shifting. I'm not gonna go the full twisties because I lose cell service, and if something were to happen, God forbid, I'm not in a group, I'm not gonna do that by myself. So I don't have a GPS for my wife to track me down if something were to happen, so I'm just gonna do partially to a quick pit stop on the twisties and then on the way back. So what you see is what you get. Let's get to it. This is so easy now. It's cake. Look at that. Both feet are on my bike and I'm slowly moving. Now I'm accelerating and off I go. Let go of the clutch. Oh yeah. I hit 10,000 RPM and the bike didn't jerk. It normally does occasionally, but I caught it and nothing happened. It was perfect, seamless, smooth shift. That little jiggle room that you saw, all that play was causing turmoil. It was tormenting me, and if I'm going to the track next month, I can't have that happen. That's a given fact. And just like that, we're in the area where I normally go to. Gotta watch out with this cyclist over here. Oh, I love this part. Lucky me. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm just banging through the shifts so that way I can see if there's any problems with the clutch cable. Oh, I just got hit with something. Normally I get a jerky motion every time. Not the case this time. I like doing canyon riding, man. It gets my mind off of all the problems and negativity of the world. Might be a tight corner here. I hardly do this kind of stuff. I don't want to get stuck without anybody assisting me if something were to happen. Shit. I forgot this is a switchback. That's a nice switchback though. And this is my halfway point. I'm not daring to go any further because I still have cell service here. So anyways, this be it for that. There we go. It almost feels like a roller coaster ride when you do that. Woo! Oh my God. It is great to have these places in my backyard, man. Whoa. No problems with the clutch cable except for the pre-engagement right at the beginning. Perfect time to test out the... Nice. Yep. We're good. We're good. No disengagement of the clutch as it was being done before. So that's good. Well, there you have it, guys. The clutch spring pretty much worked out very well. I'm running really low on battery life right now, so I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. It's still intact in one piece. Yeah. So she's pretty good. I think she is pretty much getting ready for the track, and I think we're gonna have a good time out there. Anyways, this is Ares.Reigns. Till the next modification or the next bike rental or the next group ride, whenever. Stay tuned, guys. Peace out.